Joni from One Dish Kitchen, and today I'm going to share with you a recipe for a lemon blueberry muffin for one. These lemon blueberry muffins are fantastic. They're loaded with plump, juicy blueberries. It's topped with a wonderful, sweet, tart lemon glaze, perfect for serving one person. Heat the oven to 400 degrees. In a small bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, and salt and set it aside. In a separate medium-sized bowl, stir together the melted butter and the sugar. Add in the egg yolk and whisk in milk, vanilla, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Stir the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix it until combined. Gently fold in the blueberries and pour the batter into the prepared ramekin. Bake it for 15 minutes or until the top is golden and the center is completely cooked when a sharp knife is inserted in the center. Whisk together powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and drizzle it over the top of the muffin.